Well, we are in the thick of summertime heat and humidity, and that does not change today. Out of Keeneland this morning, we've had an occasional horse trotting through. That's the time you want to get outside. And there are some hints of moisture hanging around. Can't rule out an isolated shower, a sprinkle this morning. Haven't had any storms to track overnight until you go out of state, and they've had some big time storms, severe weather from Kansas City going down to Missouri, even northern Oklahoma. Squall line, that big Boeing segment dropping south overnight. So the severe storm threat for today and tomorrow is all out west. Slight to marginal today. Tomorrow, there's an enhanced risk across parts of South Dakota, northern Nebraska. We will see an uptick in storm coverage, but we are caught between systems. In addition to the severe storms out west, they're monitoring the potential for tropical development off the East Coast. I was talking about this yesterday. Maybe Faye, if it becomes a named storm, whether it does or not, from Thursday through Saturday and then late in the weekend, it's going to batter the East Coast, mid-Atlantic states up through New England with heavy rain and wind. Here's the future track at home. Exactly what we've been dealing with lately. That afternoon bubbling up of showers, thunder showers, limited in the coverage, but will definitely have an impact. Torrential rainfall, brief gusty winds, maybe some pulsing to near severe levels at times. We've seen that on and off this week. Tomorrow they'll be around, dying out to our west. That'll set the stage for more significant development. Scattered showers and storms likely, especially from Lexington into eastern Kentucky tomorrow. And then additional showers overnight as a cool front drops in. We'll actually have a boundary pushing in here instead of the stagnant situation that we've been in. So this will help cut the heat and humidity slightly, not a tremendous amount, but you may notice the humidity dropping just a skosh over the weekend. The other thing that's going to drop after our shower and storm chance ramps up is the shower and storm chance, but that's towards the middle of next week. We've also got heat that we have to contend with. It's 70 degrees. We've got dew points in the 60s and 70s, muggy air in place. That hasn't changed. And high temperatures in the low 90s today, upper 80s tomorrow, and then that brief dip over the weekend before we rise again toward the middle of next week. The desert Southwest in for a significant summer heat wave. They could be talking about temperatures up to, if not over, 120 degrees in the desert, but easily triple digits out there with this big heat dome clamped down. So they have excessive heat warnings, heat advisories out. We have a heat advisory out for northern Kentucky, where the heat indices today, we've been used to mid upper 90s for the heat index. Well, heat indices could push triple digits. You can see it near it, Flemingsburg and Ashland. So yeah, just take it easy. Tomorrow, as that boundary kicks in, scattered showers and storms roll in, we'll still be hot and muggy, just not as bad as it will be today. So this is kind of the peak in all of that as we hit the low 90s, that high humidity. The one thing that could pump the brakes a little bit on the higher heat index would be the cloud cover from the blow off from those storms. May put the brakes on the temperature rise, cool things down briefly, especially if you have a shower or a storm push through. Low 70s overnight. Tomorrow, highs upper 80s, showers, storms likely, especially later in the day. And then we are consistently in the mid 80s with a daily shower and storm chance, much lower end though the rest of the weekend. Next week we dry out. Looks like it could very well get hot again.